everyone, hope you are all doing great. Welcome to Uttara Home Kitchen. Today I am going to make two unique Maggi recipes. And if you like my recipes, then like, share and subscribe. Also comment down your favorite dish. I will try to make as simple as I can. So let's start the preparation. First I will make the veg Maggi. For that I took Maggi, Maggi masala, green chilli, onion, carrot, coriander leaves, salt and water. First, boil some water and add a little bit of salt. Once the water starts boiling, add the Maggi. You can break it also. Now, boil the Maggi. It will take 4 to 5 minutes. Now, strain it and wash the Maggi with normal water so that it won't get overboiled. I have given all the measurements in the description box. Now, spread the Maggi on a plate and add half of the Maggi masala. Don't use full. Mix it well. Now heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Spread it out all over the pan. Now add the vegetables one by one. First add the carrot and stir it for 20 to 30 seconds. Then add the onion and green chilli. And stir it for 1 minute. You can use any other vegetables you like beans, capsicum, cabbage, etc. And also you can add non-veg. Now after 1 minute, add rest of the Maggi masala. Now just give a good mix. After that, add the boiled Maggi. Mix it well and gently and cook for 1 minute. Then add the chopped coriander leaves. And finally, the Maggi is ready. Take it out in a plate and enjoy. Try it once and let me know how it is. Most of my friends like this Maggi recipe. Now I am going to make egg Maggi in a different way. It's very easy and very delicious. For that I took Maggi, Maggi masala, coriander leaves, green chilli, onion, carrot, 1 cup of water, 1 egg, salt. Now you have to fry the egg. Add a little bit of salt. Mix it well. Now heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Spread it all over the pan. Make the flame low and add the egg mixture. Fry the egg as it is shown. Basically you have to make egg bhuji. And remember, you have to do it on low flame. Fry it for 1 minute on low flame and 1 more minute on high flame. Then after 1 minute, add 1 cup of water. And add all the vegetables: carrot, onion, green chilli. And just mix it well. After that, add a little bit of salt. Once the water starts boiling, add the Maggi masala. Mix and cook it for few seconds. And after 30 to 40 seconds, add the Maggi. You can break the Maggi also. Now cook the Maggi until it boils. You can use any other vegetables like as I told before. Cook it on medium-high flame. If you like soupy Maggi, then you can add 1.5 cup water in the beginning. Now cook it until dry. Turn the flame high and you have to stir it continuously. Now turn off the heat and add coriander leaves. Coriander leaves is optional in both the recipes. And the egg Maggi is ready. Take it out in a plate and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.